Abawaye Rimeyefe, Eshinefa, Oya Kwabo Baweo, Abu Ikaya. Pepe, today is the day, our Yapere, Akiwula. Our Kele, two version, our Kele, Abu Ikaya.
Chaba, Ona Estado, Friday Yesu, Ultimate Fashion Adisa, Inye Road. I would pray and hear for the appointment. Maurice, Ali, we were getting to Kubrati. Ali, who were the nominee, but he got for the appointment.
Siraba oye muyoro tabo oye na we babo oye na se na yo ana ambo kutana anyite anyo ko gene ari ki na ro ya babo bana usere te ka babo bana ule te na babo bana olo do da anyite we ku da anyo ku ka ko me da kana ara ko ya bana ari pa ko ya kana ke lo ko mulana na ramu na kerenya Ipana kekuri ọkọ mú oye nìtúrí àti ìrábẹ́ aráyọ́ yá kéèkì náà nígbó àpẹẹsì tó dárò àìrọ̀rù pẹ̀lú nígbóyẹ ló ṣàbọ̀ tó légbóyà ní ìtókègbóyọ pẹ̀lú náà ní jésìkìtì àìrọ̀rù
àwa gbàbọ̀ ní jí fọ́yà wa ó pẹ̀lẹ́ ṣítọ́ ẹyẹ yìí gbẹ̀mìẹ̀ lọ́kàlẹ̀ ọ̀lọ́pọ̀lọ́ lọ́ọ̀lọ̀ pẹ̀pẹ́ wa kò gbàbọ̀ náà ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ ìgbàkélu ọ. Presented by an head. Noki President's Technologies Anthony Ozuomote. Agbepawa Babona. Toloshitego. Of the greatest organ. Very good. Also, I want to introduce to us Opela Traditional Council. Look aquí, Wewe, Kegi Ita, Alinyo, Neme Seshi, Ekopela, Awakeba Bonawe. God bless you, DJ. They are all here well represented. Opela Graduate Association, please can we clap for him? Thank you, God bless you. Also, I introduce to us ESACO East Local Government Council. ESACO East Local Government Council. Please, let's clap for them while we are with them. Igebola Rokasawa, Eleki is Tekodasi Eyomela. They are sitting right opposite me. Stakeholders, Eyomela. You're welcome, sir. We acknowledge your presence. God bless you. Amushito Amwekanyasas. Thank you for honoring this invitation. Also, Mirokase, National Union of Road Transport. Professor Inanoya Inogi, let's put our hands together for her. Onomigalera, Awalesi, Onoshi Shawaiteba, Opegi, Vice VC, Vice Chancellor, Great University of Benin, Britannia. So, Ogbonani Mwepashi, Ebola Waoki, Agbabona. Now, Anakebe, International Chief Joshua Ogene, Oshitoana Mele na Agbabona. Awe Opes Shana, Lori Kaki, Abi Opela, Iki Opela Graduate Association, Abawana na Bela Unokiano na Luna Moana. Olawa Tiba Akabona. Akebomori, I Chief, our Fuller. Our Fuller. Okay, go away to the Akababona. Then go to see the diamond. Akaba, I take a Jodaro, I take Bomori, Chief of Okbe from Teba Akababona. Àtẹ̀gbọ́mọ̀rí ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ ló kàkiri àwọn ìtẹ̀bá ló kàkiri ní àwọn ẹsẹ̀ fọyẹ́wẹ́ ní mẹ́mẹ́lẹ́ náà àmọ́ àbọ̀wọ́ kiri àtúntà ló àwọn akẹ́kẹ́ introduce wẹ̀ àtẹ̀gbẹ́ akíwòrán òkàkẹ́kẹ́ introduce you are very very important umu epeshi as far as occasional is concerned àtẹ̀gbẹ́ àwọn akẹ́kẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀rọ̀ mẹ́ta àwọn ẹ̀kọ́ ló kàkiri. Ena waki mwateba, Loki asokwa, Oba, Abeba Bona. Oba wa. Honorable Obalu, Abeba Bona Tepe, Akiwona. Our number one citizen of ESACO East Local Government, our Honorable Chairman, Wow, where's that? The Honorable Chair himself. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Yes, Honorable Chair.
Hi, Chief Sule. You are welcome. Senior Chief Ubono Olana Ayeto. Honorable Esheshi Oselulela Awato. You are welcome, sir.
You are welcome, sir.
Wow, sir. Alors, à ce moment, on est à ce moment, on est à quoi il y a maintenant à Wariana. Bon, to make Okola a better position for all of us to live, you have to welcome. The title of this paper is who is engaged in the face of Okola in the next 10 years. If investors acknowledging our non-renewable resources are made to give back to their host community, Okola. Hello. I repeat. Who is engaged in new phase of Okola in the next 10 years if investors acknowledging our non-renewable natural resources are made to give back to their host community, Okola? Thank you everyone present here today for giving us the opportunity to speak to the demand of many Okola. The possibility of a tango for the development of our community seems unimaginable. What could possibly provoke them to take a stand against the upliftment of the community, whether indigenous or non-indigenous individual or group? Could there be a misconception? Here we are landing to you. Let me finish reading before I make any evaluation. Is being formed. This community has witnessed several agitations by different associations. What can they do different with this yet another association? Okola Graduates Association, OGA, is a collective of refined group, refined young men and women of Okola origin who believe and share the custom and value of Okola. And we at all circumstances act in defense and promotion of the community interest. Refined through the process of formal education to the level of minimum of first degree or its equivalent. The founding of Okola Graduate Association is very timely. At a time when several sons and daughters of Okola have struggled individually and collectively to no avail to build much needed physical infrastructure and basic amenities to our motherland. When inadequacy of resources have prevented the government from responding promptly to our cry and call for help, Okola Graduate Association has come to redirect our attention and effort to the resources within our community. A community with enormous natural resources has attracted multinational companies. These multinationals are here to mine the mineral deposit in the community, which is welcomed by all. There is, however, regulations as enshrined in the Mineral Deposit Mining Act of 2007, which includes the precondition for such exploration. One of the conditions is the bilateral and strategic community development agreement, CDA. One group as a major company involved in the mining of mineral deposits for the production of cement, one has commenced production since 2000. The protection and continued existence of this multinational company is of great importance to Okpela Graduate Association and indeed the entire community. It is therefore imperative for the right things to be done. It is even for an investor to perpetuate profit maximization without giving back to the host community. These mineral deposits being explored today are not renewable. This mineral deposit being explored today are not renewable and repeat again. As such, we have negative consequences. The time is now. Okpela community must stand up from their life. We must take what granted belongs to us. This is the time to do the community development agreement. The community development agreement, CDA, when signed and implemented, will provide the following to the community: all-round development in Okpela, employment of skilled and unskilled indigenous, skill acquisitions and youth empowerment, small-scale business, especially for women, 24-hour free electricity, good backbone water, good road, hospital and free job for our public health center, generator empower civil life, direct staff employment and non-contract staffing, 60% for Okpela and 40% for non-indigenous. Scholarship to indigenous primary school, from primary school, secondary, tertiary and post-tertiary institutions. Good primary and secondary school facilities. Investors should publish aid enrollment for primary and secondary school teachers. Enrollment, environmental impact assessment, royalties and respect for our traditional rulers. Indigenous not limited to linear jobs as it is happening today. More managerial positions and offices for indigenous, 16% for indigenous, 40% for non-indigenous. Finally, bringing this community development agreement into effect requires the collective effort of our sons and daughters, old and young, at home and in diaspora. Anybody or corporate entity, whether indigenous or not indigenous, who has power or in position to bring the community development agreement to effect, but choose to use such power or position to push individual or group interests at the detriment of our collective development is the real enemy of Okpela. Consequently, such individuals or group is against the new face of Okpela. A little emphasis.
Apẹ̀ta gbàbọ̀ ṣeré lọ́sẹ̀kọ̀. Àwọn àkàkẹ́ gbàbọ̀ tó ṣe sọ.
Hello? There are sorrows, there are different topics.
Ìpàdé ìyàwó ẹsẹ̀ ẹ̀wẹ̀ ó pẹ̀lú máa mú nù ẹ́. Ó pẹ̀lú máa mú nù. Igi gọ̀ yìí, ọ̀rẹ́ àwa sọ̀rọ̀ àwa kéwì. Our promotion from this place. Atúgbàfẹ́ Edo State ìyá jẹjẹ ní ìbò àwárí gọ̀ọ̀rọ̀ bíẹ́. Igi gọ̀ wá kẹ́kẹ́kọ́ pẹ̀lá ẹ̀ná ìbò ìrìlẹ́sọ̀ international level. Wikaya, my honorable comrade Paul Bisa, ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kò dùn bọ́sẹ̀lẹ̀ tòtú nílọ́rọ̀ máa ebi lọ́sẹ̀ yà wá ìlọ́sà wà lẹ́sẹ̀ kí ọmọlẹ́mi ní bẹ́ẹ̀lì marginalization. etí ẹ sọ mẹ́nàmẹ́nà yìí ọkì pòtẹ́ níbi zẹ́rọ̀ kásá wà kí èmi nínà nálùí hospital aṣínáàdùn ẹgbẹ́gbẹ́ nàró kwẹ́gẹ́wé bẹ́ẹ̀ nàró kéèpàgé ọmọkẹ́ ọbọ̀ kẹwọ́ yé ní ìkọ́pìnì níbẹ̀ wẹ́rẹ́ ayé a mẹ́kẹ́ rẹ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ zẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ayé òtú ẹ̀mí nìtẹ̀ náà kìí sẹ́. òtú ẹ̀mí nìtẹ̀ bíkọ́ wẹ̀rẹ̀ ní níbo ààrẹ gbọ́n lẹ́rẹ́ sí eminárẹ́mi nìtẹ́rì lẹ́rẹ́ àlàyé àkíyèsẹ́ ilẹ̀ ìgò kíyèsí eminẹ́tẹ́ kọ́wẹ̀rẹ̀ oríyé nẹ̀wẹ̀ gbọ́rọ̀ balẹ̀ eminẹ́tẹ́ iná mọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀wé nàkànyà ó kékeré owó ìbọ̀rọ̀ yé àdúgbò ìbànújẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kì nánà mọ̀rú pẹ̀lú húlẹ̀ iná náà mọ̀ kẹ́rù pẹ̀lú ẹ̀kọ́ òní tiẹ̀ lọ agbẹ́múṣe sàkóọ́kì tòbí lọ yìí ó pé látàyè yìí ó ná gòkè kò yẹ nẹ́rí nẹ́bì kányá nẹ́tí òbèrè akéjọ dàrú nẹ́kẹ̀rì ẹ̀wẹ́ ṣọ́bẹ̀rà akótìkọ̀ ẹ̀yẹ yìí kò yẹ ní enéyọ̀wẹ́bẹ nẹ́kì ẹ̀kọ́bẹ̀rà nẹ́kì ẹ̀níyọ̀bẹ̀rà nera ẹ̀kọ́bẹ̀rà kẹ́ẹ̀pì kányá àrẹ́nẹ́wẹ́ ní kányá àrẹ́nẹ́wọ́lì akányọ́pọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́sẹ̀ nera ẹ̀ní kọ́pì nìyà kẹ́ẹ̀pà kányá ọ̀tìkọ̀ ẹ̀yẹ yìí n'abẹ yàrá ẹ̀kọ́ nọ́ọ̀tù ìdàrẹ́ yòókì ọ̀dẹ́bẹ̀ kéègbé ní ọ̀nàkànyẹ́bọ̀ akọ̀tìkọ̀ ẹ̀yẹ yìí kí ó pèrà aṣínẹ́mí látọ̀rọ̀ kí ẹ sọ tí ẹ dàbí òye ní òpèrà ní a ìnàbìlò bí aṣàpọ̀ kẹ́nyànyànyà akọ̀tìkọ̀ èké gbogbo yàrá ẹ̀yẹ yìí ká mọ́ nètè kó tí ẹ gbé ìtòbíkọ̀ kò yé nẹ́ẹ̀dá mẹ́lẹ́tì ẹ̀ nà wá kẹta akọ̀tìkọ̀ ẹ̀yẹ yìí ukajẹ́ mbọ́lẹ́ tọ̀sẹ̀ tẹ̀ ìmẹ̀jìnì òru ẹ̀ pàgẹ́pàgẹ́pàgẹ́ kọ̀ọ̀tìkọ̀ òye ní òkàtú ẹ̀kọ́ ànàṣítọ́ òlẹ́sẹ̀gbẹ̀ ìyára ẹ̀ pàpàpàpàpà ògbógbè láti aṣínúwájú ùtìẹ́mí ẹ̀fì ẹ̀ ó tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ̀ ọ̀tì ẹ̀yẹ yìí olóòtẹ̀ àròṣẹ́ kànárí pa ṣí olóòtẹ̀ nàkẹ́mẹ̀kẹ́ ìlòbìlòbì èké kọ́lẹ́yẹ yìí àròṣẹ́ kà nàbẹ̀yẹrẹ́gì ẹniyẹ àrẹ́nìbẹ́lú scholarship lómìnira ọgbẹ̀ràgì ùbẹ́rọ̀mọ̀ yìí obìnrin ọ̀wẹ̀ náà òkèdì àkàlẹ́ òkèwẹ̀ náà òkèdì sìkúlù ùrọ̀pọ̀tàrọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ fíọ̀fíà ọ̀nìjọ́ ọ̀wẹ̀ náà wàá sọ̀ bọ́jọ̀. Please, I am directed to Idragoyi Professor Imoye Eli Anizio. Please, you can hear me from where you are. Please respond to the call. Eki Okeboti Nabeyaregi Ene Bikanya Elebeki Company Niane Amela Kami Ibua Onda Yena Kari Upamu Yarishena Ake Upamu Yarishena Oki ìgbésẹ̀ òkèkàtó àrígbọ́dẹ̀ bá ẹgbẹ̀gbẹ́ àrọ́nàrí àti òtítọ́. Àwọn pèsè ẹ́. Yẹ́nì. Ìnáwó tó ṣe ìnáwọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ ìjọ́bù adẹ́kàánù níye ọkẹ̀ pé bá gbogbo lọ́rí yá àfárí akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ọ̀yẹ́ ìṣèlè ọ̀rẹ́ ìpẹ́kọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ìpẹ́kọ̀ ọ̀yẹ́ ọkọ̀rọ̀ ayé àjẹ́kọ̀ ìrọ̀ kọ̀kọ́ èmi ní yàmẹ̀ lọ́rí ìgọ́ amúkànyà ẹ̀yẹ yìí àròṣẹ́ kànámọ́rí owó ẹgbẹ́ ní kéke àwọn olófúndọ́sọ ní kéke ìdè níye kíkè kí á ìfọ̀ àfẹ́ ìrìnkòsè kíkè kẹ́ni tẹ́gbẹ̀ náwùgbòmí lèké yàtọ̀tọ̀ agáwà mẹ́sọ̀ ẹyẹ yìí àwa rọ̀ṣẹ́ka nàwárí nèrí mọ́rọ̀ bọ̀ṣí ó lè kọ́gbẹ́ náà yíyá ẹ̀rọ bọ̀ṣí kìtì jọjá ó ná lọ́rì èkú pé èmi ni obìnrin ọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀ṣí náà bẹ́ yàrá kí olóògbèrà ọjọ́ dàrú ẹyẹ yìí ẹ̀rọ ṣẹ́ka lè mú ẹgbẹ́ nínú traditional council ilé mú ẹgbẹ́ náà wẹ̀ igi náà èyí àgbóyè ní kọ́pìnì ó kí ọmọ yọ̀gbẹ̀rà ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀rọ yọ̀gbẹ̀rà igi náà àtọ́bẹ̀rí irigo agbẹbẹri obìnrin àjọ dàrú ikúkú mẹ àyẹnẹkẹri èbúbúbú ẹwẹ ẹgbẹ tó bí ẹgẹgẹ àwọn yàtẹ jọ dàrú tọwọnyanya jí onáni chairman oní speech banarọjọ welcome sir.
ọ̀nìkún pẹ̀lú àlàwẹ̀ lọ́ọ̀dì jama ọ̀wọ́ ẹni náà gbóyà wọn àtúkẹ́ lójà kọ̀ lóẹ̀ àpẹ̀pá gbàbọ̀ náà.
Todo the time quite correctly the pressure abroad we no sitting here of this is although the group a little good only developing chairman is a colleague that gave his suspension now chairman of the life so turn around give another. So from now to 2 months, Waka addressing ceremony and not the chairman. So only the legal of the chairman. So already that the chairman will happen. So we see Isaac Neshito. We see the professor Moki Itawa, Laura Dalo, Shogepe, Aroti position. I came on the director of the our very normal time, no Diana Washington. Then it's any Kutu Dinakana. It's the pastor, the president of Khan, the chief imam, Lower Kana, we see Opera, youth to Lower Kana, we see Okopa, we are the same, Okopa Nana, we got first and foremost, all of those reality. Open and graduate or make it today reality. Now, the open and move, now over here, open and move, our Akana. Every year, we know, I think it was in the possible. Now over here, and we were, I cannot do it. Ẹ̀rẹ̀ nílò kì chairman ẹ̀rẹ̀ tí bá mẹ́ kí èmi náà mẹ́ òkúra. I think you stop that first, please. Hello.
Ike kebe pẹ̀lú orí abilékọ ní eminua kẹ́ni ẹ̀ ń nàṣọ ní mẹ́rin ní chairman ọ̀hún.
Ẹ̀rọ̀ tí bá mẹ́ chairman. Ina awara asito criminal me usikete ulase obose ega na we company all the cause in the community all who to the community is not bloody emo and asopela only the the community is not god asopela so our see opa wa opela our see atone ojo no pe it is never where our no Rosanna. Therefore, I don't know and when we rise against the company, Sarah Adena, and we are mobilized the Equus for a block to the whole Nigeria is for Nave and the way I'm there. Ye over Ushio government, you are going to go. If you are carrying them now, a parasite table way, Meme, Yaka, Peleo, Yak, Shoboyame, Ya supporting Niamo, Carito.
I'm a part of the Shuru Chama.
So, I'm going to get a big every of his power. Alors, Réachito, elle est à l'insécurité quand on soutient Yahweh. On a des blocs, on y compile, il y a des séminaires, il y a des. Et tout le monde, il y a des portes où il y a propres quotas. Parce que il n'y a pas de peur. Grosso modo, the president of government, the government, all around with that. Ebe ko la no we la na kanya ebi na te we la me e calculate we apere we to go se ya kiri what has national proneche a piniva pinile ni o bere e so fa the environmental ego no ma so it to be go e we no ka kiri ibi ke a officer e go ọlọ́wọ́ mìsẹ́ ọlọ́wọ́ tó bẹ lọ́wọ́ mìsẹ́ ti yá ọlọ́wọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ní orí ọdún mẹ́rin so they prefer ìlà ìtẹ́kùn yẹn rẹ̀ inú ọba rí ọlọ́dọ̀ tẹ́ èmi náà ẹni yẹ ní kẹ́kẹ́ inú kìlá graduate àmì náà dùbọ̀ ní ẹ̀yìn ìfẹ́ mọ́ níbi àbẹ́rẹ́ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ní káàbí àbáṣíwẹ̀ on ne va de pénal que j'ai qui est du poids qui est yédi comme là pour la cagnané quoi et le noir de la cagnané de n'y a pas noir de wette et qui tati pour le wette bien la même so souvent des gars mais et les quelqu'un mais on n'a pas que de là mais à laisser pour on non que quoi on a que les côtés on quelque chose on a que les côtés on est sur là aussi et là l'eau que la nous vient ouais meko the boy for now as you know to better and immediately before no call the chairman no way for chairman no way for up we are your no mewe all the date now any year na me say ka ko yo mi governor ko so di we or no mewe abanye ya lo na commenta si ele ko any boy is like ko mo so mi na we and when can be answer with 27 people on the where we employ any grant now we don't see 60,000 your excellency so what global of so coming to an our meeting now I got take with you okay the chairman not only the local committee is the better chief officer of say ya so say ya relate we are not to be as not the other now when from today, it came to me and he came with only poor. Now, on MOU, they have a report, even in the year, no, only that no, our Vietnam, I MOU to our Vietnam, and you know, like, other things they have followed. Ìwé ní lẹ́nà mú àbọ̀ our supporting way ara advance now àtọ́ yàwá is that èsì ìgbèdó àwa ìgbèjé lọ́kọ̀ọ́dọ́ nìké náà ní result rẹ̀ náà yà ní crisis rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọdún ọ̀gbìn rẹ̀ I see there as economic cooking because in our year I say they were not there is all part of local like wey aka àtúnú owó ẹ̀mí and you know no pẹ̀lúta ọ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ mú n'owó. You will pay the start development. We have in one now. I have to. So I take that version. It's you know, Ago, the government give order. MOU now longer Biatelago. Ela maunde training. Sísá ó dé pé lè iná kò bá ní jékó yí ẹ̀yẹ ọkọ̀ tí ó jékó yí ẹ̀yẹ látọ̀ máa ń ọ̀là ọ̀pá kányá àkírà ẹ̀tọ́ èmi yá àgẹ́rẹ́ náà wẹ̀ àlẹ́ ìdẹ́wọ̀ ẹ̀gẹ́rẹ́ náà àkírà ẹ̀tẹ́ àná kò yá ara mà lọ́tà mọ̀ kú ó nà ẹ́ mọ̀ yú dẹ́ẹ̀lì yìí náà lọ́wọ́ máa wò ọ̀lẹ́ wò kọ̀ ókè ẹ̀ mọ̀ yú ká lẹ́ bọ̀ ọ̀lẹ́dí ẹ̀wẹ̀nẹ́gì 3 days inú wa kọ́ kí ó wà pé ọ̀yà àkóso nìkan fún yóò rọ so ìgẹ̀síkẹ́ ẹ̀wẹ̀jẹ́ ẹ̀rọ̀kọ̀ ní akọ ọlọ́kọ̀ ilẹ̀ ó bíra lọ́rọ̀ ní ọ̀nà ẹ̀mọ́yú lọ́rọ̀ bọ̀ rárá ọ̀kẹ́rọ̀ ọ̀nà ẹ̀mọ́yú náà mẹ́ lẹ́mí lọ forward to the governor nominee no more before we move forward to the governor our kema ìbáríyáwá lẹ́yìn gbẹ́gbẹ́ náwá mẹ́gbẹ́ náà yílọ̀ lásẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ìrànlọ́ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ ẹni ẹ̀yà wà lọ́ lásẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ àbọ̀ nílọ̀ lọ́wọ́ lásẹ̀ yílọ̀ lọ́kẹ́ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ yílọ̀ fọwọ́ tí ọ kò nẹ́ẹ̀kì ẹ̀wẹ̀ wìmọ̀ ẹ̀ but subject to the whole local decision even he attached to it because open light sit on a design the amari never kẹ̀kẹ́ ṣàbọ̀ kí ẹ̀wù la má sọ ẹ̀wẹ̀ la má sọ ilé ọ̀run ló gbèjọ ọlọ́run the governor of Pasoni Kogo to Attorney General of the state. And that came after that about 3 days ago alume ìyàgà ìkébẹ ìkébálẹ àgbégbé the representative of the state or the commissioner of solid mineral the representative of chief justice or account of Nai state the representative of BOA lọ́kì ìlọ́yọ̀yẹ̀wẹ̀ from Lagos Nai BOA ọ̀bàlẹ̀ then ìbílẹ̀ àbọ̀ ọ̀làgọ̀ ìbẹ́ ẹ̀hún nìkùnà ìdági ẹ̀rí sàníọ̀ ilé ìsàníọ̀ ṣe ní àtẹ̀mílẹ́ra ni mọ̀ aka you forward to this state yeah you forward to this state yeah me na ke em na ke je no te ko higo e lo ki na mi sani alo na di about 10 minutes now we go through even ya ke no ko sani o na lo you go ye we na we o go la mi ki the scale chief bi so we la o ta bi la na o la ni la na therefore we are to best on behalf of Opela. When Opela have not seen she done it, decide the game for quick aside the level. The only thing
at the back of the line.
The only thing we have going here, apart from that, I'm going to be not taking it. Ilé ẹ̀kọ́ náà ẹni tó pẹ̀lú ọ̀gá ìjàmà wẹ́rọ̀ ṣe kìí àrọ́ kẹ̀kẹ́ níwẹ̀ nínú fọ́sílẹ̀ sáré kùnà. Ìgá àjàpẹ̀, àyẹ̀yẹ́ àṣìtọ́ ìṣèké pẹ̀lú mítì àrẹ́lẹ́ níyẹ̀ ìṣèké pẹ̀lú mítì sí ní MOU náà ọ̀nàna àyẹ̀yẹ́ àṣìtọ́ àyẹ̀yẹ́ àmìtọ́ eleni ye ya to kasope lapa egwere ni nera le mo o pere ya to ko delegated for at least to ko pa e ya to to suffer from each zone ebe ya ni lawyer na sito because the lawyer mo ba de ya ni na ni akeke gbe ni aki lawyer ni akere la ba keke mo ju we be ka sa ni aya sa ni abi na go governor eno tẹ kí ni àtàlẹ́ àkókèrè lánà àkókèrè apá ọmọbìnrin àmì kí ni àmì àtìlẹ́yìn so ìdájàfẹ́ eléyà tó fẹ́ ní lọ́yà lúwẹ̀rì lọ́yà àtàkàkọ́ obìnrin wẹ́wẹ́ àgbẹ̀sẹ̀wẹ̀ kí ẹ̀ àṣìláyé lòmì ní tìǹyà ọ̀fẹ́ òmì kí a ìlànà ẹ̀sẹ̀
Akakakapọ̀dà Honorable Chapel.
So all our the commissioner solid mineral that we there all our when our representative or Attorney General that and the chief of the all where ọ̀rẹ́ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ní èrí go back ní ọ̀yẹ́dẹ́ kó lè meeting ẹ̀rẹ́ ìgbà kọ́ ẹ̀sẹ̀lẹ̀ tí wọ́n mú meeting lọ close èmi ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀rí mi náà ẹni mi náírà lọ́nà ìtìlọ́rin náà lè tọ́ mi ètò ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀rẹ́sẹ̀ mi náírà German wà ní àbáwárà mi 10 kilometer ní promise opera every year from the date of production ẹ̀rẹ́ náà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ló ti cement ẹ̀rẹ́gọ́ atẹ́kẹ̀rẹ́ ní àbádá green èyẹ ní àkéta 10 kilometer so which means in 4 years ní akágọ́ they are owing us 40 kilometers.
So akágọ́ náà àtẹ̀ká tẹ̀kábọ̀.
So akágọ́ ọmọ ìlọ́yọ̀ yẹ̀wẹ̀. Okay, please, okay. Akọ̀ ní lọ́yọ̀ yẹn wọ́n kẹ́ àpò ẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ kéré ọ̀rẹ́ndé náà yìí, èmi náà kẹ̀kẹ́ sáànà láti ẹ̀wẹ̀ nígbọ̀. Ààrẹ ní kẹtẹ̀lé inú ẹni yà nígbọ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní bọ̀ àṣepọ̀ ló tẹ̀lá sí ìdádẹ̀ yúrọ̀ náà mẹ́, àwọn àbáná wọn mẹ́gbẹ́ ọ̀nà. Àwọn kẹtẹ̀ ìdádọ́ kẹtẹ̀ wẹ́ that onebe ori apike ewe ori epino mo bi then that the other dress and become not the other no so ikiro we e ya na wa gwe so many things near na ge ga go through abia re go ke school wa ke di na ke onebe is street light e ni atere e ka ri go tere ke we show so many other things even at the very but now I'm not there in a brief way we need a strong good representative and the lawyers say a good representative they are represent our because we are going to meet she and they will communicate back to me. So that our people will know our because of the governorship give order the time frame that because actually Okwela graduate 19 were pushed rally it has become able necessary now that only Boga Aya Samuel no more when Àpẹẹpẹ ẹlẹ́ni èkó please èkó lè mà àpẹẹpẹ arúgbọ̀dẹ́wẹ́ òkú aṣílò ewé ní ẹlẹ́ ẹsẹ̀sọ́ àkùmọ̀ àṣẹsọ̀ ẹ̀wùṣẹ́kẹ́rí zébè ẹ̀wẹ́dẹ́ àwọn àwọn àtẹ́bè but during our time èmi náà made that time wẹ̀wẹ̀ òṣìkẹ́rí fìyàwó ẹwúkẹ́rí àrí mítà nẹ̀tà àrí mẹ́mọ̀nà lẹ́mẹ̀ náà lẹ́tà kẹ̀kẹ́ that time wọ́n náà kọ́ mẹ́tẹ́ níbo kẹ́kẹ́rẹ́ tó tẹ̀ kiri mọ̀ sẹ́kọ̀ọ́ náà wọ́n mọ̀ dé lẹ́mẹ̀ náà ẹ̀wẹ̀ wìtá náà mi lọ́kọ̀ àbára mi náà ìgbà fami kàdàbíọ̀ náà the US àrí price náà wẹ̀ gbéyàwó since the life has digitalized like that therefore when we are demonstrating in Okwela so that now our support near where our support near where our support near where both other companies naked they are one they said that when Okwela and the blessing the limestone other mineral deposits Okwela is not a cost to us so thank you.
Chairman, who can assure the Bagogo.
Honorable Seski, when everybody at Roma will
Scientist Professor Ego Opelane Gaiga said, Akwepe, our go Babonelli, or can it a great market perfect? Emmanuel Agoke na Piepa, Nangwe or Bananye, Oleniana e Atralai. And enemy here, Zoebe, oh, everything no like I went to a coupe, a young Yeronia, Amukanya. And you go to the see in chairman, whether he is suspended or whether he still remain a chairman. So, you go to the concern, the assistants no longer. The Loma is that Abonimola, the principal villages, they were provision for the signing of only MOU. You know, Kiagi, any 6 principal villages, our Yazekbo, they represent our, so that a weekend, Miga, in May, they all discuss with any government, and Emmanuel Mayor, the clause is able to Lodiaki, Tiawa Egbe. Aki, Eminawa, Nebawa, Akoshi, but I can't go and more. Number 1, no, where no, he proposed an way of that for the executive committee of the government, then a local person will be a co-chairman. I am more anywhere. Then of the government or because only committee now set up later both the DPO, Ego, again when representative is sure. And in the scholarship paper, the 24 language, then in Ego, I got 24, each share and after a carry area 300 million. Every occasion yearly, which is too small. Yet
Every 5 years.
every 5 years, no. Every 5 years, sorry. Hey, okay, which is too small. The equal me is 7 million. Nine pack a yake.
But we agree. Look at our people, they represent our. They agree not to be agree. They cannot give Okwera, they cannot give us cash. Eminent worth of 300,000 KDH 300 million. And that one, we are taking on now. And then go another supporting echo, Yarama, a big part of anybody's account for any reason. That money, our lesson, eminent worth. 300 million. And then also cannot our money. Our no the cash area where or none of the business or job boy and work with business or contractor job boy work will change safely but in back our open the ground of the part of our tech barrier or a government later on our but that budget Imnoyake representing any part our signal amonate ọmọdé ọgbà ọmọdé náírà ọdún ìwọ àwọn signal ẹni bàdẹ Et nous qui sommes mariés, nous qui sommes là, et on a calculé que la culture, une manière qui a longtemps qui a fait satisfaire au dernier, à l'Iramana et à l'agriculture, on a créé des cachivales. Et la voix, c'est avoir créé un application à l'agriculture.
Emission guest, imu pago, awa ngoma e, awa kweyewe na awa nuleke ni lona wa. Odu zeba, imikpa, ayewe salo binepa. Nebe kare meka agreement, nike fatika na wa.
They don't burst 50 kV, I mean 500 kV, and then we don't see opera. Only remember there is a provision for that.
Ami Kanyasa.
Il pourra en titre pas. Aujourd'hui, il faut qu'on ait compétit dans la loi qui n'est pas. Et les assaillants n'aiment pas you. Et nous avons discuté et que l'on est très combat. Il n'y a pas la loi. Because il a été à la côté du n'est pas le Mouamadji. On va connaître qu'il n'est pas poli. Then secondly, if we kill $100 million, yes, it is true. Our prayer in the back is better when I came here. Then conclusively, I want to talk about opportunity now. You want to be here. He has got the chairman of you know that is we are because of that. Professor Kana, Professor Morgan, on a both friend of Nigeria. And the year meet here. You run the one project deputy governor. Now I have them already as a chairman Rwanda for chairman because this is the only position of anybody. So I'm a governor. I will get a patwa. Honorable P. The Benaki for the position of Victoria Nobela. Il a sa pichamala Melena. And the Menana Oto Menate Rowe. In Chamano Ki in the Red. Other of the Tiwana, Arakana Gana, Shebo Pagarobo.
After I can ask my Gashamiana.
In Chama, because Chama, I think the word Chama has just suspended. In a suspended as an official government, who will take the Chama, who will Chama, who will take the Chama. Really, you got said. After the Ghana came to them in the Ogala Graduate Association. And they are telling that for Chineko can go to that in Yafuso. Now, any Ogala Graduate Association, I don't recording only MOU, the government name, a great draft, a horror, all I said. Abẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀làṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ẹ̀bí náà ẹ̀bẹ̀ yẹn ìgbìlẹ̀ àyẹ̀kú àwọn alámọ̀lẹ́rọ̀ bí náà ẹ̀yà kẹ̀kẹ́ nínú ìpèsè ní à ẹ̀ka kẹ́wọ́n ìpèsè ní à láti olùgbé nínú àkíṣọ́ rọ̀mà wà kẹ́kẹ́ nínú rọ̀mà bọ̀ àkùwọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀kẹ́ wọn ní à ẹ̀dìbẹ̀rẹ̀ pọ̀ sí Ogola Traditional Council Ogola Traditional Council ẹ̀dì kọ̀mìtì ẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ̀ akẹ́kẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ nílẹ̀ sí ibẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ́bàwẹ̀ ẹ̀dìdẹ̀mìnẹ́là ẹ̀kọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀dẹ́wì kọ̀kọ́ lọ́kà lánàá àlà ẹ̀rọ̀mà àwọn akẹ́lá lè ná Alera kakoke for no grande ate ni nyawaga we. Awashaba sheka akate model. In alese moese no ala is question kutete be urogiwe. Ebi no Roma. In ala na kabo oge tebe bene one ozugwa abaya kanani ekpenya awa isoria. Emideke ashinake morami eneni yelesi melesi emideka ti alene gati awa kelesi bedose abara samba bwezi na waro delo. Agaro melo ino kwa batwa ojine baka nube fusompe. Eni yomola graduate association awi kanya. Akakwe be fusompe. Anyone who will cause confusion, everybody assign. Our way is 6 ruling areas. 6 ruling areas, our nominated community assign. Because in our boy, our Lujua had a pele, Unanga, or our so, everybody got to know. In Russia, who are going, but what is one? I look at who now. And then I to go and walk away. I told him, any penny now. You never go 1 hour. Oh, any governance, government association. And I could put a of that of their cookie. Our second one, our way away. And then the other, and then the continue. On a couple of comments. On a couple of first to bush our the bath over Lakena. Or Carlo, what I knew, not take with the over the Kenan. Or I never go over it, but our ever Papa. Or no, body. So, I let them know as a near assign. Our share move only German. Only a lot of letters here. I track of way German. I get us all. Over that graduate television. Only Ghana.
Ẹ̀rẹ́ gàdí ọ̀gbọ́n gàdí ìdílé gàdí.
Aṣítọ̀, akèyí sí múlẹ̀ ẹ̀, aṣítọ̀ àṣẹ́kù. Aṣítọ̀, èmi nílẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀mí ní àjẹ́ yẹn náà ní ipa pé rẹ̀ orí aṣíjú tó dà pọ̀ wọ́n dà pọ̀ gà. Ẹ̀rìn ní pẹ̀lú ọgbẹ́lá student union, ọ̀rẹ́ àmìnà àmàpàkàyà aṣítọ̀ àṣẹ́kù. Bàtí èdè sàrò mẹ́ẹ̀, láti mẹ́ẹ̀ lédàtò. Èdè lédàtò ẹ̀rẹ́ nítorí àwárí. Ẹgbẹ́ ìgbé yìí, ó lè pe náàmìnà òmá kẹ́nẹ́kẹ́nẹ́kẹ́nẹ́ ẹ̀ẹ́gà bíbá ìgbà kásá ní sẹ́ ó ní kọ̀mìtókò àpẹ̀sọ̀, ìkọ̀mìté zòdébùnà, line by line, item by item. Olóòtí ègbórí, olóòtí ẹ̀ àwọ̀rí wa, olóòtí ṣeṣe ọ̀hásìnà ṣeṣe. Now, look at 12 kilometer road. What is the German anyway? 12 kilometer road, Eloki. Lẹ́dúté òkè kàtà ní Yorùbá 12 kilometer ọ̀sán àmì. Èmi ní àdéhẹ́ yìí. Èmi ní àdéhẹ́ lú. Èsì pẹ̀sìfà olùdílé nùnú. Àbẹ̀bí tó tó lè pèdé ìnà kébùbẹ̀ ìtò ìgọ́rì. Ọ̀dọ̀ sí 12 kilometer. Òkùnkùn kí bí èkù yìí tó òkù kí ló pẹ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ sí 12. Àrùn ní ó dé fà. Ìbájú ló lọ ẹjọ́ sọ̀sọ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ sí 12. Àrùn wípà èrè 12 kilometer. Then the committee for making suggestion. Èkó yàwà ní lẹ́sà ní eré àdísà ní ìwẹ̀lẹ̀ ní àṣà ní o. Àbàbí German náà. Hassan, don't know Hassan. I don't think you pay Hassan. This time they got the damn here.
Bakoso Mosi, no be anamu. No she abi lega wa fuse gbegbe. Ero pe to boy danamu pa. Imegi awa ye ke nwe wa lo ti nípa yes olo le ti so go. E mo li go there olo le ti so. No we no ati so. But ene me ne she ga ai pe ne gbe na we go keke asi. Sawa mashi. Mi dem na wa be na she na ya ngbe na. Luka ya bi le na wa go le repeat ba wa. Any committee I mean any hour. Abero na be ya go yi abala ni village. Anya sa anye mu ma. O ga ni village here we mo ya wa nya abawa shita na. Anya ye aji ye bo bi o ba ige mi ni ibo ai mi na. E la wa mero ma o. E la wa do be ru ole. Anya su committee. E se no e ba kanya. Ola. Any committee akayane gbe Abiola akebe do. Oni memi ne gbe da bi ge na wa be shi na. Indo ya ke awa ke meme ze goro ma awa ro ma. Ka ga bi na ge ne ze na ke ko ke. Very soon, maybe by next year me na agreement is urami for review. Oni ro se ka me na de we ro be Mr. Chairman. Ini one ereke go etia. There's an agreement. Not only who present in any year, and that same proposal, I meet, I deliberate on, I offer suggestions. In Logiaki, in Agareg, and any year, in Azaki, only Grava, our Lama, Ona, in our Amashi, Ona, in our Amashi, our Amona. Oh, well, the decision I want to take on our only government, not Baron Nune. Oh, well, we can make a rock, Bogio, give him no it don't carry as go there now. You know, government, they look at both there. The company, the people there, we Abi, our way, and we're Lego. In a year, we get 10 kilometers in every 2 years. Fine. And no way, they go to go, or no way in 2 kilometers, no 12 kilometers, or 10, no way in oh, our road, our is it better to our oh, Gagi, I can't look at it, oh, I was whether I or not, bro, with due respect. I know here a lawyer shop, but the big committee, and we are here, Ola, Abonaje, Upona, yeah, I'm we are here over there. Out the Pedro of it, but our mammy and our general in government. So, one of these are can negotiate about when I have been in our prepare, I will not 2 hours.
So it presents the memorandum of association, or otherwise known as the agreement. Now, so I will set up a committee within us. We went round to gather people's suggestions as to Abonimolia. So in our hands now, we have both only a present to us and the recommendations now you collect from everybody and you input in the new one. So what do we do now? And you have just both the old one and the new one. In other words, the old one and you suggest from opinions that you gather, we will also say them here. And if there's any addition, we believe the house is full enough for us to get those suggestions before the signing. So Adams will tell us where we started from. Then I will tell you the new suggestions and you
only community development agreement Borobale Oyo Yorina Ebino Keke Shike Yake Nunowe Ogogo Onanye Obeakpa Eke Amashi Barista Oyake Nuno Our Tejodaro Olodode Iboa all the 30% of the workforce shall be indigenous of the host community, and their employment shall cut across all stratas of the employment cycle. Anyone and maybe Oyin Akanyanola Oya Kemoe Ele Bune Dosobea Owe Ramwe Ashese Oyamwe Ashishiwa Ayekeya Bino Abushombe Ushomuwe Koyoko Yaro Emi like the only mineral resources no the limestone ọ̀nà ọ̀kọ̀káwé ṣèṣà àtọ̀fẹ́ mi gbé yẹ̀yẹ̀ òwe lè.
So let me have Ebino Zeranyo Omego and Yekwe Ipoa Eli the workforce now Yabanyo Loni Abanyo Milawe the percentage of Ombela they have Bakanya they couldn't come up with something tangible. Instead they present to us a manpower presentation as of 2018 Edo State, Esato East. But we decided that it should be very clear that Ombela indigenes should form at least 60% of their workload.
Olùsèbá ọ̀rẹ́ kò tí ló dà lọ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ tòláàlè lórí àké mọ̀bọ́mà lèké yìí skú ó di ẹni àlè nípàgọ̀ náà rí àkátàsì ẹni àwọ̀ engineering ẹni àrí geologist geophysics and other relevant disciplines. Anyekere ahi ino ẹgbẹ́ tòláàlè ó pèrà ìrọ̀rọ̀ tó àwà.
Instead of 6, and they increase you to 16 indigenous cement districts.
Ọ̀kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tíjọ́ dàrú ọ̀gbìn ọ̀yá kẹ́rì the sum of 300 million. Akọ̀kẹ́ azẹ́mẹ̀ ní kúkú mi ìlú ìṣòna. Èyí 300 million náà àwọn ẹ̀sìn.